Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to discuss the topic of addition a bit. What exactly can I use addition for, and how can I apply it in my daily life? I often use addition when I want to create more complex geometries, from which I may later want to generate parts using sheet on surfaces. Very often, it is also the case that one can create more complex balcony slabs with addition. I would just like to start with this. In this case, I have a cube here that I want to make slightly longer and also slightly wider. And I would like to furthermore duplicate this cube further in this particular case. That means I want to define a plane here by moving over a plane, in this case, this surface. And in this case, I want to copy this cube, meaning this rectangular prism here. As I have shown in previous videos, I can easily change my surfaces and sizes here. I want to change this by 350 and I want to get an inclination in these parts again using the shift key. I will simply go down 100 millimeters here and the same here. And now it is the case that in principle these parts occur twice here. And it is important for me, because I might want to place a sheet on top here, that I can also see this edge. To do this, I need to select a part and then I can start the addition. I simply start the command and HiCAD asks me which part should be added. In this case, I click on the second part. And now I receive the message whether the second part should be kept or remain, yes or no. I say no in this case, and it is added to this part. This means I have essentially created a fixed part, which is also visible to me here as its own feature in the feature tree. And now I could basically continue working, and here on the surface, for example, create a sheet, which could be an attic sheet as an example, which I would also like to show here, just for demonstration. It can be that simple to create sheets on more complex surfaces and continue to use them.